Hi, this is Chris Kane, and I'm at the AudioControl factories today here just outside of Seattle, Washington. And this is where we design and manufacture all of our home theater and distributed audio amplifiers and processors. Over 40 years ago, AudioControl was started based on providing good sound and great sound opportunities for our dealers and customers alike, beginning with equalization products that would allow the end user to match up the performance from the speaker with the environment that they were in. The acoustics, the spaces, all those things, equalization helped with that. Going forward over the years, AudioControl evolved into manufacturing amplifiers and processors, and today's lineup is even more powerful than we've ever had before. Our home theater processors support Dolby Atmos topologies, as well as Dirac Live room correction, and the newest HDMI protocols 2.0, including Dolby Vision HDR. Our distributed audio amplifiers are also focused on performance and focus on high power levels with 8 channels, 12 channels, and 16 channels with DSP and matrixing capabilities. Not to be lost is our small zone amplifiers, the Rialto series, which is also focused on performance. As you can see, it's a common theme with AudioControl that we're focused on maximizing the experience that our customers can receive when using our amplification and processor products. This is a design goal that we incorporate into all the products that we have. We're very proud at AudioControl to also be partnered with Alef as our authorized distributor in Russia. The entire team at Alef is focused on extending the AudioControl experience to their dealers as well as their consumers also. And they receive the full support of the AudioControl staff here at our factories in Seattle, Washington. As I mentioned, all the products are designed and manufactured and tested here in Seattle, Washington. We offer a 5-year parts and labor warranty, as we've done for over 40 years, being able to provide a legacy unlike any other company in the industry. We invite you, if you visit Seattle, Washington, to come see our factory, and thank you for your time today.